Lash babes, welcome to Lash with me, where I bring you along so that you can watch me lash, pretty much. So today I'm going to be doing a set on this beautiful girl, and we're going to be doing a mega volume fill. And if you are ready to see in real time how it really goes, it's going to be a while, so get a snack. Go ahead and keep on watching. And right now I'm just going in with 2 lip balms, and I'm cleaning excuse me, I'm cleaning her lashes using pure saline, and you can find this on Amazon. I will link it down below. I have talked about it on my Facebook group. If you want to join it, that will be down here in the, I don't know, on the screen somewhere. Go join the group. We can share a lot of tips, and you guys can ask questions, and I like to interact with you guys. I do want to mention that I had been sick for like the past, I don't know, maybe not even a whole month, but I've been sick for a while. So this client has not come into me for a good while. I want to say that 3 to 4 weeks. So we are going to fix her all up today because she's used to those huge, big, mega lashes, and that's what we're going to give her. So here I'm starting to banana peel any eyelashes that are just too outgrown. They do twist around and they get all tangled, and that's just not pretty. So I just quickly go through and remove anything that needs to be removed. So for today's set, we are using really pretty lashes in the sizes 11, 13, and 15. Those 3 sizes work for so many different styles, and I love them, and that is what we're going to be doing today, 0.05 DD curl. So throughout the fill, you will see me peel back more lashes. I do kind of like to just go along and see what needs removed as I go. I know a lot of you do it right at the beginning. I try to do most of it in the beginning, but this is the way I do it. And I'm taping back her lashes just to really be able to see any of her natural lashes. So you are gonna see my client talk a lot. We always have a lot of fun and we laugh, but it's really good to try to remind your clients to just stay quiet as they can, just so that the procedure goes like a lot more smoother and there's not a lot of movement. As you can see, I kind of struggled, but I mean, I'm able to do the job. I just recommend if you guys feel like that's something that would stop you, for sure let your client know ahead and put some soothing music. Just have them relax, like go to bed. And usually my clients fall asleep anyway, so that's okay. I also see that now editing this video, I will be doing it from the other angle, maybe showing you guys the other eye, because I feel like my hands were so much in the way. So just keep that in mind for the next video. Here is what I was talking about. I do work and then I go through and still peel back any lashes that are like, you know, messed up. So I do it at the same time. Right here I'm placing the fan, and then next I'm going to grab this fan that looked all crazy, and I'm just going to be peeling it gently and removing it. So I'm taking the pink tape and I'm just taping back the eyelashes. This will help you get all of that out of your way and you're able to see the lashes. This tape, as you can see, peels away so easily, and you can purchase it at reallypretty.bigcartel.com. And it's really nice. It doesn't pull any lashes away like Nextcare, I feel, just always did that. And this one, I feel like it's so much safer. So. As you guys can see, the tape peels away so easily. All you have to do is hold down on the lashes and just peel away gently. It does not lose its tackiness whatsoever when you have to take it off and replace it and adjust. That's the good thing about this tape. So here I'm going in with the That's a Spot tweezers. These have a really long base, so they're really nice because you can kind of just pick up the fan really easily. You can make the fan and then you can just pick up the whole thing without having it separate. And these lashes also, they really do like to wrap around the natural lash. They just easily, like for some reason, these easily wrap around the lash. Like it's really cool. That's why I really love these lashes. So the way I like to do it is I like to place the fan on the lash and then I just give it a little wiggle. It helps to dry the lash as you're placing it, so it kind of just dries quicker. That's just like the technique that I like to use. I shimmy it and I feel like it just wraps around the whole natural lash even better, because I feel like I feel like it secures to the lash, you know what I mean? I do notice a lot of you girls asking and talking about retention problems. Retention problems have a lot to do with isolation. If your isolation is not perfect, then you will not have good retention. Like you really have to focus and go slow. And I know a lot of people complain about like, oh, I don't want to get my lashes done because they take forever to get them done. But you need to pride yourself in doing long sets, and meaning like, I pride myself and I let people know ahead of time that they may be there for 3 hours, but my work will be, you know, on top of it. You know, like my work will be on point. I will do everything I can to try to make them last a good while for them. So they know that ahead and before we even schedule, so I don't feel rushed and I don't feel like I'm lying to them and I'm trying to, you know what I mean? Like, just be very good at explaining that to your clients and your retention will get better. Just concentrate, go as slow as possible as you need, because isolation is everything. Like you really need to perfect that. technique a lot where I just pretty much use the tweezers and my pinky finger to move over the lashes so that I can isolate. And there's so many different techniques. Let me know if you want a video for each specific technique, and I can do something like that for you guys. And I personally like to remove the tape and reapply it just as much as I need, pretty much, so that you can like get those bottom lashes, and you can lash every natural lash possible. Don't be afraid to add a little more tape and move your eyelid in the direction you need it, because it's going to help you in the long run. It'll help you be faster if you get the lashes where you need them to be, so that you can see everything. And it's not going to hurt your client. So I feel like a lot of girls worry about that, and you can ask them, but look at how easy I was able to lash after I taped up the eyelid. Oops, I forgot to mention the glue that I am using. It is Live Bay by Live Bay Lashes, and I think they're under Sassy Lashes as well, but yeah, Live Bay, the purple cap, just so that you know. You're probably also wondering why I jump all over the place. So I like to usually start on the outer corner of the lashes and then work on the inner corners and then meet in the middle. So that is the technique that I'm using here. As you saw, I just popped off the lash because I placed it a little too far away from the lash line and it was just bugging me. So sometimes you do that, you mess up, you're human, and this is the real deal. Like, you don't, it's a hard job. A lot of people think it's really easy to apply lashes. Nah, sweetie, like it's really hard. It takes a lot of concentration and you just gotta pull through it. As I'm editing this, I can see that where I need, or I guess I can see the angle that I really need to be at to show you guys a lot better. So on the next video, don't worry, I will be like over top, kind of if you're looking down, so that you cannot actually see the natural lashes that I'm lashing. So hopefully you don't mind, just ignore that. I did talk about the volume tweezers already, and they'll be linked down below. But the isolation tweezer that you see here, it's not my favorite. As you guys can see, I switched between two. The black one, the black and silver tip, is from Amazon, really affordable, and it just has a really good grip. But I do have a tweezer coming very, very soon, within a couple weeks, and she's amazing, and I will show that probably in the next video. But it is, like, I'm not saying that just because it's my brand, but I am trying to, everything that I'm putting into this brand is something that I need to use. And now these volume tweezers, I can't stop using them. I don't ever need anything else. So just know that every product I do share to you or share with you is something that I myself will use, you know? If I don't use it, then I will not try to even bring it to the world or whatever. Alright, no, you can hear me. Alright, and there you go. As you guys can see, they're very black, very fluffy. And yeah, like I said, everything will be linked in the description down below. The glue I use, the lashes I use, the tweezers, all of that stuff, and the tape and all of that. So just go check it out. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you guys can take something from this video and put it towards your techniques, I guess is what I'm trying to say. To seal everything off, I'm going in with the LA Bond, and I'm just applying to a micro swab and just applying, and it helps cure the lashes. And so far I've had really good retention with it. It just depends for everybody, depends on what state, what humidity you work with, and things like that. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not yet. Also hit the notification bell so that it notifies you every time I upload a new video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.